Continuing our journey about various aspects of teaching profession, today we will explore about an effective teacher. Teaching is one of the world's most challenging occupations. An effective teacher makes good use of instructional time and inspire students to do well and to know more. Being an effective teacher has to be able to handle every situation that comes his way. Teachers should be flexible to take control of any situation. Teachers are valued oriented mentor. Effective teachers tend to have similar characteristics enthusiastic, creative, and positive. Being organized in the classroom is another key element of an effective teacher. By organizing and planning each day, the teacher surely presented the lesson in the effective manner. When the teacher is organizing in the classroom, pupils will observe, imitate, and apply it in their daily lives. As teacher, one must be honest to himself, to the school, and to his profession. A teacher must always be truthful in whatever he does or say. Teachers hold a unique position in our society. To make a difference in a child's life is a huge privilege. There are many key attributes to being an effective teacher. But for me, some of the key attributes are effective communication and establishing good relationships, guide children's behavior, setting up a good environment for learning, and being well organized. There are many other factors that also need to be considered not to become just a good teacher but a great teacher. An effective teacher possesses a thorough and expert knowledge of their subject, uses his expertise to answer questions to maximize learning and increase classroom participation, uses his creativity and innovation to set imaginative tasks in order to inspire their pupils as well as advancing their knowledge, selects and combines appropriate resources and activities, ensures that all people are involved and progressing regardless of their talents, abilities, and learning styles, balances the need for didactic teaching with the need of facilitate people's interaction and independent learning for a well-rounded teaching approach, is capable to meticulously checking pupils' understanding and progress towards objectives during class in a non-disruptive way, provides pupils with clear, specific, and insightful guidance on achieving their academic goals, sets homework that is relevant and builds upon the work already covered in class or sets the stage of the next lesson. An effective teacher creates a classroom environment that is conducive to learning, both stimulating and challenging, conducive to respect, courtesy, and harmonious interactions between pupils, teachers, and fellow pupils, laid out in a manner designed to aid learning. For example, in a semicircle in the class revolves around debate or with people facing forward if the lesson is lecture based. Well presented and organized in terms of both structure and decoration. Personal qualities of an effective teacher include empathy. An effective teacher must empathize with pupils' attitudes and learning styles in order to teach effectively. Ambition. Drive is a vital part of being an effective teacher. If teaching is not truly his aptitude, his success as a teacher will be limited. Patience. To remain calm and patient while teaching will help an effective teacher to provide effective discipline and classroom management. Energy. This is a role that involves hard work, and most effective teachers often work over and above the hours they are paid for. Passion. Teachers' passion will communicate itself to the students and create engaging environment. Characteristics of an effective teacher. An effective teacher respects student in an effective teacher's classroom. Each person's ideas and opinions are valued. Students feel safe to express their feelings and learn to respect and listen to others. This teacher creates a welcoming learning environment for all students. An effective teacher creates a sense of community and belonging in the classroom. The mutual respect in this teacher's classroom provides a supportive, collaborative environment. In this small community, there are rules to follow and jobs to be done, and each student is aware that he is an important integral part of the group. An effective teacher lets students know that they can depend not only on him but also on their peers. An effective teacher is warm, accessible, enthusiastic, and caring. This person is approachable not only to students but to everyone on campus. This is the teacher to whom students know they can go with any problems or concerns or even to share a funny story. Great teachers enjoy good listening skills and take time out of their way to busy schedules for anyone who needs them. If this teacher is having a bad day, no one ever knows. The teacher leaves personal baggage outside the school doors. An effective teacher sets high expectations for all students. This teacher realizes that the expectations he has for his students greatly affect their achievement. He knows that students generally give to teachers as much or as little as is expected of them. An effective teacher has his own love of learning and inspires students with his passion for education and for the course material. He constantly renews himself as a professional on his quest to provide students with the highest quality of education possible. This teacher has no fear of learning new teaching strategies or incorporating new technologies into lessons. He is always willing to share what he has learned. An effective teacher is a skilled leader. Different from administrative leaders, effective teachers focus on shared decision making and teamwork, as well as on community building. This great teacher conveys this sense of leadership to students by providing opportunities for each of them to assume leadership roles. An effective teacher can shift gears, means change his methodology, and is flexible when response of a student is poor. He evaluates his teaching throughout the lesson and finds new ways to present material to make sure that every student understands the key concepts. An effective teacher collaborates with colleagues on a regular basis. Rather than thinking of someone as weak because suggestions were asked for or help, he views collaboration as a way to learn from a fellow professional. An effective teacher uses constructive criticism and advice as an opportunity to grow as an educator. An effective teacher maintains professionalism in all areas from personal appearance to organizational skills and preparedness for each day. His communication skills are exemplary. Whether he is speaking with an administrator, one of his students, or a colleague, This respect that he receives is because of his professional approach. An effective teacher can use techniques both inside and outside the classroom to ensure that he is the most effective. In the classroom, he ensures that his body language and tone of voice are not undermining his teaching methods. The best lesson plans in the world by itself will not enthusiast pupils to work hard if their teacher is not keeping his face and body animated, smiling, speaking clearly and brightly, maintaining a good posture with head high, back straight, and arms uncrossed, moving around the classroom during the lesson rather than standing or sitting in one place throughout. Outside the classroom sees opportunity for professional development. Thus, we have seen that an effective teacher is one who is sincere and passionate about the subject. Students become fully engaged by their teachers, argue towards teaching. This enthusiasm and highly energy sparks interest in the subject by student. The thumb rule for a great teacher is to always ensure maintaining excellent work-life balance. Thank you and best wishes.